Here is I want to show you one more trick how to install transition if it's impossible to install it. So we don't have here tone, we have only groove here. So and how to do it, it's really it's not so easy, and from my experience I'll show you what I did. just a second, I'll take it off this piece. So what's the trick? So first of all, I took the piece. So here was groove 2. I cut off bottom of the groove. Then I measure exactly this piece and pre-cut it. Then I made so many cuts, and now this board is very flexible. Here is door is 34 1/4. I made it a little bit more, 34 1/2. Just slide it under this side and under this side. So now we need to we have to put some support on the bottom. What I did, I took a leftover what with tongue and cut top from this tongue and put it in. Now we have right here support. So when we put this piece in, it's exactly settle on that support. It's can be, you know, lower or higher. It's usual problem for this installation. So now I can put glue and install this part in this end. It's easy and no problem. Use it if you like this little trick. So let's go. So let's go on this one. something heavy because you extend it when it's dry. And you get, you know, not very even. So now we have support on the middle. We have support from both sides, and here we can put one more bucket. That's it.